Today, I'm going to show you how to optimize your Notion workspace so you're fully prepared for internship application season. Whether you're applying for your first internship or trying to organize multiple applications at once, having a clean and strategic Notion setup can save you time, keep you focused, and help you stand out during the process. Let's walk through how to build a system that supports every stage of your applications. Start by creating a main dashboard dedicated to your internship season. This is your command center. Include quick links to your application tracker, resume and cover letter templates, portfolio drafts, and a section for deadlines. You want everything in one place so you're not scrambling through folders or emails when things get busy. Having this dashboard easily accessible means every time you open Notion, you're reminded of what you're working toward. Next, build an internship application tracker. Create a database with columns like company name, role, location, deadline, application status, required documents, and contact person. This instantly helps you see where you stand and what needs your attention. Add status tags like not started, in progress, submitted, interviewing, and offer received. This makes it easy to filter by what's urgent, what's upcoming, and what's complete. You can also add a countdown formula so you know exactly how many days are left before each deadline. Then create a notes section inside each application entry. This is where you record interview tips, recruiter names, job requirements, and your personal talking points. Having all this information organized per company makes your prep smoother and helps you personalize your application. If you come across sample interview questions or comments during research, drop them in here too. You'll thank yourself later when it's time to prepare. Now set up a resume and cover letter hub. Store your latest resume version, past versions, and templates you commonly use. You can create a cover letter generator using a simple template button. Press it, fill in the blanks, adjust your paragraphs, and save it. This section becomes your quick editing space whenever you need to tailor something for a specific role. One of the most helpful additions is an achievements and experience log. Throughout the semester, jot down projects, tasks, wins, skills learned, certifications, and anything notable. These become useful bullet points when you're updating your resume or answering behavioral interview questions. Most people forget the things they've accomplished. Notion helps you track them in real time. You should also include a study or skill building section. List the skills you want to develop before applications start, such as certain software, technical skills, writing skills, or portfolio improvements. Add YouTube links, course links, or notes from what you're learning. As you complete each task, you get clearer and more confident. Finally, customize your dashboard so it inspires you. Add progress bars for your internship goals, a small motivational quote, and maybe even a weekly routine to review applications. The goal is to create a workspace that feels encouraging, organized, and easy to update so you can stay consistent. With your Notion optimized like this, internship season becomes less stressful and much more manageable. You know exactly where everything is, what your deadlines look like, and how close you are to your goals. Staying organized is one of the best advantages you can give yourself, and Notion makes it possible.